Critics criticize everything since they are ill critically. Luke chapter 6 verse 9. Then Jesus said to his critics, I have a question for you. Does the law permit good deeds on the Sabbath? Or is it a day for doing evil? Is this a day to save life or to destroy it? Criticism is an expression of disapproval of something or someone based on preconceived ideas. Criticism can ruin the ethos and self esteem of any individual. Here is an incident where Jesus was in the Jewish temple teaching on their holy day called Sabbath. In the temple, he found a man with a deformed right hand, and Jesus had compassion on him to heal. However, the religious leaders were waiting to see if Jesus would heal the man, so they could get hold of him working on the Jewish day of rest. Jesus knew their thoughts and began to question the critics. He asked them what was lawful, to do good or to do evil. Then he called the man to the front, and in full view of them, he healed the man. Critics are all around us. If we heed to criticism, we can never do good. Unknowingly, we may even be critics. Let us examine ourselves. Here is the checklist. Number 1. Are you jealous of someone's growth? Number 2. Are you consciously trying to find fault? Number 3. Is your mind negatively clouded about the person you encounter? If the answer to these 3 questions are a yes, then you are critically ill as a criticizer. Remember to answer this question before criticizing. Why do I want to criticize? If you can get a convincing answer to this question, go ahead to criticize. If not, just ignore the person or the issue concerned. If you have courage, take a moment to appreciate. Critics criticize everything since they are ill critically. God bless you.